All right, so it's day 34. My contractor have been away for I believe 4 or 5 days, maybe 6 days. So yeah, grand project. Week 5. There's no progress at all. So I got a sender in the back, a floor sender. So I got another contractor from the James project. So he's gonna be working on the deck paint today, and he's gonna start working on the paint on the inside of the house. And we're probably gonna see if he's gonna do the kitchen and then the showers, because we have to get it done as soon as possible, because we need the house to be listed before we have cold days here in Pittsburgh, and sell it as soon as possible before December, I would say, because after that it's going to be too slow and it's going to be hard for us to sell the house, and we're going to be just sitting on it and losing money, so, and causing stress and everything that comes after it. So yeah, hopefully we can get it done in 10 days. And we have countertop coming in this coming week. So yeah, I did some returns today to Home Depot, and I have a lot of returns to Amazon, Home Depot, and Lowe's, so which I'm gonna do probably today later on. All right, so we got the sender over here. We got it from Home Depot rental. So we're gonna be painting those in wrought iron. So we got all the senders, small ones, big ones, and I'm just priming it now with the exterior primer, and reinforcing all the deck boards, steps, and then the railings. So now we got bad weather. All the leaves are falling down. It's a fall season, and then we've got a winter weather, and the rain is coming in 1 hour, so we'll have to get it done before that. Day 35, week 6, beginning of week 6, grand project. All right, so sanding the whole hardwood in the house. Countertop measurement is done. It's nice and firm right now. We'll have to work on the other parts of the kitchen now, and just a wait game for the countertop.